Hello, my name is Gavin and I'm here to show you how to use your FeedsyMail headquarters or your admin area of your FeedsyMail. It's mainly to look at how you check and add your subscribers and also see how your mails are being received and how they're being read. Okay, let's start. What will happen at the beginning is we'll give you an invitation to link in with your headquarters. It'll be an email looking like this. So you basically click the invitation, yep, and you create a new password. So my email address will come up, that'll be your email address there. So you create a password, let's see, and then you do it again. So keep a record of your password. All right, let's get started. Okay, so for this demo, I've done a demo FeedsyMail account, but this will be your account, so it'll be your stuff here. So yours will be what's called a recurring RSS. That's the type of FeedsyMail you're sending. So you'll just have one to look at. You won't have a choice here, so don't get confused by that. There's a thing called lists and subscribers. So these are your subscribers. There may be two lists there. One will be called test. Ignore that one. It's only got 3 people in it. We only use that for testing at the beginning. Yours would be the one with the most subscribers at the top here, probably called main list. So to check out how your list is going, click on that and you can see down here how many active subscribers there are. So these people who have not unsubscribed or have not bounced. You've got unsubscribed, so you can see all the people here who have unsubscribed, and then you've got bounced. These are the ones that it could not send emails to for some reason. Maybe the email address is not valid, or maybe their email address is discontinued. So you can also check here to see, maybe you can call with this person and say, just checking your email address, it seems to be wrong. And then delete it. That's basically if you choose to delete people for some reason. Okay, so what you can do if you want, you can actually export your subscribers. So you can actually choose what sort of subscriber you are exporting. So you want to say check up all your unsubscribers, so you can do that, and then basically export, and it will give you, go to your downloads here, and you can actually have an Excel file with all your unsubscribed, so you can see maybe which clients have unsubscribed. Again, don't spam them, and basically definitely don't resubscribe them unless they ask you to. But you've got the information there if you need it. So I'll go back to the main list. What you're probably going to do more often than not is add new subscribers. So it's pretty easy. You hit add new subscribers. Now if it's just 1 or 2, you can just type them in here in this sort of format here. So for instance is you know, example at example.com, comma, first name and last name. That's one way of doing it. But I'm going to show you this other method here, so I'll get rid of that. So that's if you're just doing 1 or 2. If you're doing more than that, then what you want to do is go to your Excel file. So here's the Feedsy list, and I've added these 2 new ones here. So these 2 are new. These ones here are already existing. It's just these here are new. In fact, what I've got to do, this is going to the test one. This is where these came from. So what I'm going to show you is how it only brings in the new ones. So I'm going to go back to where I was. I'm just going to go back a step here. And I'm going to actually do the test list. So this actually is going into the test list, which has already got 3. So, test list. Okay, so add new subscribers. And I'm going to select from my computer. So I'm going to go. So let's just bring them in now. And what I ask you to do is to make sure that everything's correct in terms of what is what. So email address is correct, first name is correct, make sure it says last names, but that's optional. Okay, and now I'm going to go finish adding subscribers. And what you'll see is it won't allow the existing ones to come back in again. It'll bounce them because they're already in the system. Here we are, only 2 were added successfully, bringing the total to 5. There were problems. 3 of the subscribers weren't added, see below why, and basically these are unchanged. So see that these addresses are already in your list, and all the upload information is identical, so they haven't been changed. So I'm going to go back to the main list here, show some actual data. So you can see, oh, I'm about to go to a client meeting. I'm going to see Gavin, and I'm going to see whether he's actually been reading my mail or not. I'm going to I'm going to check it out. So here's one email address here. So I'm going to click on that and go, oh, he has opened some. He's opened some stuff here. He's actually clicked on 4 emails, and he's actually opened 89% of those emails. So he's been checking out my stuff. He read this story here. Oh, Feedsy's first birthday. So he was interested in the Feedsy first birthday story. So you can see what a person's read. So that's pretty cool. What you can do as well is see how your mails are being opened. So I'm going to go back, now you go to reports for that. And you choose, well, you only have one choice here. You're going to choose your campaign. Here, when you roll over, you can sort of see a snapshot of each month. How many were opened, how many were clicked, and how many were shared. What you can do as well is show details, and it will give you like a summary of those stories. How many in that month were opened. You can go recent clicks, so you can see all the months that you've had emails go out, and it gives you a summary of the most recently clicked. Also, you can see most popular clicks. So you can see overall what were the most popular stories that were opened by people. So that's pretty cool. So that's in reports. So listen to subscribers to add and to export people out. Reports to see how your mail's been performing. So that's your FeedsyMail headquarters.